Hey guys, and welcome to a new video. I should probably introduce myself. My name's Emma, and on this channel, I'm just gonna share with you all the things that I find beautiful, pretty, be that makeup, home decor, or even vintage items. I love vintage. Today we're gonna be talking about the Glow Love. Is it? No. Wow, I totally slipped. The Give Me Glow. There we are. The Give Me Glow Cosmetics Pastel Dreams eyeshadow palette. I did create my eye look using this, so just stay tuned and you'll see how you can create it as well. All right, so just opening up this palette, you can tell the colors, oh, they are just beautiful. The perfect pastel tones, and I found that these swatched like a dream. The yellow, of course, was the trickier out of all of them, but besides that, they were all so lovely. Unfortunately, my camera was not focused, so I had to recreate the eyeshadow look I did that day. So that's why the background might look a little bit different and my makeup might look a little worn out. Dip into the matte blue, and we're gonna apply this in the crease. I was super impressed by how pigmented the color is. I think it's so pretty. It applies so nicely. Like, look at that. Beautiful. You might hear my son Wyatt in the background and his jolly jumper. He's just hanging out with me. All right, so now we're gonna go in with the pink, and I'm gonna apply this in the crease area between the blue and my skin tone. I'm gonna try and get this look as close as to what I did this morning, but it might vary a little bit. Hopefully it's close enough. I'm gonna go in now with a packing brush, and we're gonna go into the matte purple La La Land, and then we're gonna just pat this in the outer corner. It's looking really pretty. Now I'm gonna go in with the blue. And now I'm gonna go in with the metallic pink, and I'm gonna use my finger to apply this. Ooh, oh my gosh, that's amazing. Holy crow. I didn't apply it. Well, I guess I technically should have applied the same way I did this morning, but I used a brush and I didn't get this much of an oomph, but oh my word, this is beautiful. Just to tie in the pink, I'm gonna go in with that matte pink and blend it into the crease. Ooh, I think this is turning out better than the first look I did. I guess I should say the first time I used the palette. Now we're gonna go in with the matte blue again, just to build up that color again. Nice. Ooh, yeah, that's so pretty. Oh my word, that's gorgeous. I haven't been this impressed with a palette in a while. Oh my word, it's so beautiful. If you've been eyeing this eyeshadow palette, I think you should get it. All right, so this pretty much wraps up the eyeshadows that I used to create this kind of cotton candy sky look. In the next clip you're gonna see here, that was from this morning, so the eye looks might vary a little bit, but I just wanted to show you guys what I created with this eyeshadow palette. So yeah, the quality of these shadows are beautiful. The mattes even if they're pastel, they performed gorgeously. They picked up so much product. The color was super saturated, and I gotta say, I'm very impressed and very excited to possibly try more of their eyeshadows. I do think that indie makeup has really blown up in the past couple years, and I've been under the radar because I haven't been into makeup the past 2 years because I had 2 kids. And I don't know, my love for makeup just recently got sparked again after watching especially Heather Austin here on YouTube. I just love her personality and the energy she gives. She's so happy, and you can really sense that in what she films. So I don't know, I was feeling really into getting back into makeup, and I hope that if you have been playing with makeup for a while and you've stopped, I hope I can inspire you to kind of get back into creating fun looks that you love and enjoy to wear. But yeah, on indie brands, I'm super happy I picked this up. It's so pretty. Like, the eyeshadow sizes are huge in here, so they're gonna last a very long time. And it's really a good bang for your buck. If I'm not mistaken, this palette was $45. I'll correct myself on the screen if I'm wrong. But for that price, you're getting a really decent sized palette with huge eyeshadows. The quality is beautiful. They are just like a dream. Please like my video if you enjoyed it, and I would love for you to subscribe and join me on my journey to creating some fun YouTube videos. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.